Hey everyone, and welcome to my vlog. Today I want to talk about something really special, the Little Voices Big Stories program. This one just any program, it was a journey, a transformation, and for many of us, a chance to overcome a big hurdle, public speaking. For a lot of us, the idea of speaking in the front of others was terrifying. Some felt anxious, others just lacked confidence. But Little Voices Big Stories changed all that. We started with fun, interactive storytelling workshops. We learned how to craft amazing stories and then the really important part, how to tell them with confidence. We had the practice seasons, a safe space where we could try out our skills without feelings and judge. It was all about building confidence step by step. And the best part? The constant encouragement. Everyone in the program was supportive, cheering each other on every step of the way. We even did some creative activities like drama, games, and creative writing to loosen up and find our voices before the bigger presentations. The results have been incredible. Students who were once too shy to speak up are now participating in a class, sharing their ideas, and even leading discussions. It's not just about public speaking anymore. It's about self-esteem, self-belief, and defining your voices. Credibility grateful. This program is a shining example of what we can achieve when we support each other and believe in each other's potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.